Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have a Next.js page component. Now import head from Next/head and add it to the JSX. This gives you control over document metadata per route, which matters for SEO and UX. Once done, place a title inside head with a descriptive phrase and add basic meta tags like description and viewport. Make sure to save and check the page in the browser. The title updates in the tab the moment React renders the component. Next, handle dynamic cases. You often need titles that reflect content or route parameters. You can pass props to the page component or read router query values, then interpolate a string like $item, title my app. If the title depends on fetched data, update it in an effect after data loads so the head reflects the resolved value. This keeps titles accurate for users and crawlers. Just remember to avoid flicker by showing. Finally, apply the pattern across app routes and ensure server-rendered pages include the correct title. Use getStatic props or getServer-side props to supply title props when needed. For the app router, place head in the appropriate layout or page file so nested routes inherit or override titles as intended. If things go wrong, check the browser console, view rendered HTML source, clear caches, and confirm no conflicting head components are overriding values. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.